Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Surfshark. So let me take you to the website, which is surfshark.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Surfshark is a VPN service that provides secure, private, and unrestricted internet access. It encrypts users' data, hides IP addresses, and allows access to geo-restricted content. Surfshark is known for its unlimited device connection, strong security features, and fast speed, making it popular for streaming, online privacy, and cybersecurity. They also offer additional tools like Surfshark One, which includes an antivirus, database alerts, and private search capabilities. So, what you're waiting for? Come to the website, explore all the products they have available, and get yourself a Surfshark account. You can click on pricing and see which of the plan is best suited for you. You can go with this most popular one where you get a VPN, antivirus, alert system, and search. See if you like this one, but that's not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from Surfshark. Is it possible? Yes, you simply have to join the affiliate program of Surfshark, start promoting them to your audience, your traffic, and when you bring sales to them, you would end up getting commission. So let's talk more about their affiliate program. For that, you can come to the footer section of the website. You can click on affiliate, which will take you to the affiliate program page of Surfshark. Once you're here, you can see how exactly it works. You get competitive 40% revenue share on new sales. Now that's great. If you bring sales to Surfshark, you'll get 40% of that amount as commission. Affiliate cookie duration will be 30 days. That means if someone clicks on your tracking link, it doesn't matter if they buy the plan with Surfshark, maybe later down the line, within 30 days, you would still get the commission. They would be able to give you commission with the minimum payout threshold of $100. That means your accumulated commission will get issued to you once you exceed $100. They're available through different platform. We'll talk about this affiliate marketing platform shortly, and we will cover the impact one in this video. And if you scroll down, you can see more. You get personal account manager, worldwide availability. You can promote on desktop or mobile. And then there are some more. Exactly it works. You do sign up, you get approval, you get the link, and you start earning commission. And if you scroll down, you can see some FAQs as well. These are all great. If you want to read any of the answer for these questions, you can come to the website and the affiliate page. I'll mention a link to the affiliate program page in the video description as well. You can read the answer accordingly. But I'm going to cover this one. Do I need a website to join the program? Because I know many of us don't have website. It's okay. You can still apply to be a part of their affiliate program so long as you have a social media presence as well. It could be a Facebook account, X account, YouTube, or social media accounts like this. So who can join the affiliate program of Surfshark? I mean, the affiliate from which country can join. As such, I didn't find any restrictions at all. So regardless of your country, as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of their affiliate program. To the consumers of which country can you promote Surfshark to get a commission? I didn't find any restriction for that as well. So long as Surfshark is available to the consumer of that country, you can promote them. And when you bring sales to them, you'll get the commission. So how do you join the affiliate program of Surfshark? For that, let me take you to the website called Impact. And what does Impact have to do here? Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing networks out there. What is an affiliate marketing network? They work as a mediator between brands and affiliate. That means if you want to join the affiliate program of any brand out there, you have to join the respective affiliate marketing network. In our case, if you want to join the affiliate program of Surfshark, you must join Impact as an affiliate. And to join Impact as an affiliate, you must create a publisher account with them. It's just one and the same thing. Impact call affiliates as publishers. So to create an affiliate account with Impact, you can click on publishers, you can click on overview. Once here, you can click on work with brands. It will take you to the sign up page. You can choose any of these options, start to sign up. Now, I understand that many nuances involved when creating an account with any of the affiliate marketing networks, so don't you worry. I got you covered. I recently had created a video on how to create an affiliate account with Impact. You'll find the link in the video description. Click on the link, follow the instruction from the video, and get yourself an affiliate account with Impact. Once you have an account with them, come to the website once again. This time, click on Sign In, which will take you to the Sign In page. Over here, enter your credential, which will take you to something called Affiliate Dashboard. Now, this is a place where you will be able to interact with different brands out there, not just Surfshark. But the focus of this video is Surfshark. So how do you find their affiliate program? For that, click on brands, click on find brands. which will take you to this page. Over here, you can look at the search bar on the top right hand side and search for Surfshark. Just type in the name followed by click, which will show you their tile. You can click on the tile, which will open the affiliate program details of Surfshark. You can see the commission is 40% as we discussed. And if you click on view terms, it will take you to this page. You can read about more about the affiliate program. You can read the terms and conditions to understand what you're allowed to do and what you're not allowed to do. You can click on details to get to see more details where they service. So these are all the countries where they're available. This is what we were talking about. Like if you promote Surfshark to the consumers of these countries, you could end up getting commission on sale. And then how do they track? They provide promo code tracking, mobile set tracking, mobile apps tracking, deep linking as well. Then there are other things as well that you can read. And if you look at the left-hand side, you will see this envelope icon. You can click on this envelope icon and write an email to them if you want to ask them anything about the affiliate program, which isn't available here already. So let's say you have read it all and if you want to apply to their affiliate program, for that, simply click on apply. And within here, you can see tell Surfshark why you want to work on this campaign. This is very important. They want to know why you want to promote them and how exactly you intend to promote them. So you can write good thing about your promotional methods. So this way it could help you in getting the approval from the Surfshark affiliate program team. For my test account, I have already returned. I'm just gonna type in here or paste it in here. I can click on apply. You can do the same while applying to Surfshark affiliate program. So when you click on apply, your application to the affiliate program team of Surfshark would go. As you can see, your application is pending review. They'll see whether you are a good fit for them or not. And based on that, they'll give you the approval. How much time would it take? They could take anywhere between a couple of days to a couple of weeks time. And once you get the approval, you will be notified by an email. Once you get the approval, you're going to come to your affiliate account. Once again, affiliate account with Impact. You can click on brand. You can go to my brands, and over here, you will be able to see them listed. So these are all the approved brands. In my case, this is my test account. These are my approved brands. So if I get approved from Surfshark, I would be able to see them listed in here. Same way, you would be able to see them listed for your approved brands. Now, you get approval, then what? Then you can start promoting them, but you can't just take any link from their website and promote them. You have to use your tracking link. Let's say that you got this VPN link and you want to promote it. How do you create or get your tracking link for this? For that, you can copy this link. You can go to your affiliate account with Impact once again and click on home. When you do that, on the right hand side in this section, create and share link, you can click here and you will be able to see your approved brands in here. Once you get the approval from Surfshark, you will be able to see them in here as well. So select Surfshark from there and enter the link in here and click on create. So this will create a tracking link. As of now, it's not creating because I'm using it for example, but once you have gotten the approval, once you have selected Surfshark in here, and if you put the link, click on create, you should be able to see your tracking link. But let's say you don't want to create tracking link, rather you want to use existing tracking links. For that, you can click on content, you can click on assets, which will take you to this section. Once here, you can look at the left-hand side and you can click on your approved brand. So let's assume instead of AppSumo, we are seeing here Surfshark. Simply click on the name. And let's say if you want to get image links from Surfshark, you have selected Surfshark in here. And let's say this is an image of Surfshark that you like and you want to promote, you can click on that icon and it will open this. You will see the image. You can download the image directly so that you can integrate on your website. You can click on asset code to get the HTML link code. You can copy it and paste it at the back end of your website. You can also get the tracking link for this. You can click on tracking link and you can copy your tracking link from here. So this is how you can find the available links of Surfshark. You can also search for videos, emails, coupons, and other kind of links as well, assuming you get the approval from Surfshark first, and you can start promoting them. Now, where exactly can you promote them? There are many ways, but still I'm going to cover a few. One of the way is website. Now, doesn't matter. Once you have gotten the approval, regardless of your website type, if you feel like homepage could be great, all right, put the advertisement of Surfshark on your homepage. Otherwise, you can pick any web page of your website and start promoting Surfshark on that web page. So this way, when your audience or your traffic would be on your website, they see the advertisement, they click on it, they buy a subscription, you get the commission. Second is blog. Now you could write blog posts about different products of Surfshark, put your tracking link within your blog post. So this way the readers would read the good things about those products, click on the link, buy something, and you get the commission. Third way is social media. Now, social media could be great because it allows you to do a lot. You could create videos, reels, posts, and just put your tracking link in the comments. So this way, people click on those links after seeing your content, of course, and by the subscription, you get the commission. Fourth way is, I think, is the best here. It's SaaS websites. SaaS are software as a service. So let's say if you own such a website, maybe you create standalone sections for tools like Surfshark and put the tracking links of Surfshark on that specific section of your website. So this way, when people would come to your website, they'll see, okay, for VPN, you are promoting Surfshark, so they can click on those icons and they buy the subscription. As usual, you get the commission. So these are some of the ways you can promote them. It's totally up to you. Now, let's say you start promoting them, you started bringing sales to them. Where would you see your performance? For that, you can come to the affiliate dashboard of Impact once again. Once here, you can click on reports, you can click on overview, which will take you to this section, and you can update the date range in here, and you would be able to see more details. Within top brands, you can see your clicks and actions. Within performance per day, you can see clicks, actions, actions earning, and you can scroll to the right to see even more details. You can also see performance by referring domains, and you can see other details. You can also run other reports to see more details. Now, all the commission from your performance, you would be able to see on the top right hand side. Now, this is my test account. You can see some commission accumulated in here. In your case as well, once there is commission, you would be able to see that in here. You can click on that drop down icon and you will see the different options. So let's say all the commission that has been accumulated, it goes through with different stages. So let's say you brought a sales, just a Surfshark, you would be able to see that specific action within pending item. That means that action is yet to be reviewed by Surfshark and that is yet to be approved. Now, all those actions also get invoiced to the brand. So you can click on invoices to see invoices that being sent to Surfshark from Impact, and all the approved commission you would be able to see within balance and also on the top right hand side. So this is how you would be able to track your balance. And you can also click on earning history to see whatever commission you have earned so far. Now, all the accumulated commission that you see in here will be credited to your account. So for that, you have to update your banking details. And to update your banking details, you can look at the bottom left-hand side, these three icons. You can click on settings. And once here on this page, you can come to the finance section. You can click on bank account and you can update your banking details. So this way, all the commission that has been accumulated will be issued to you from Impact to your bank account by electronic fund transfer. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Surfshark. You apply to them, you get approval, start promoting them, start earning commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of Surfshark. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video like this on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.